Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Come on, I'm gonna take a taste of it. Freddie's steakburger. Oh my God, this is enough for 3 people. Let's find which end to take a nice bite out of. That's what he said. All right. Okay, this looks like it has a little of everything. Are we ready? I am. There it is, Mike's latest simple recipe. This one is egg on tomato and melted cheese. Oh, look at that yolk. These are some new eggs I found. They're gorgeous. Oh, it's charred. So you say, is it burnt, Mike? No. Check this out. It's not killer and it's not diller. Unless it's the sweet bubble. Let's check it out. Another close-up. Ow. Now a close-up of me taking a big Foster bite. Now all you do is taste it, mate. Here we go. Let's try it. All I can taste is beans. There it is. There's another close-up. Don't hit the lens, Mike. Let's try it. I'm kind of excited. Those cubes have gone rogue, but this one's ready. You know what's in it. Ouch. That plate's hot. Now it's gonna be in me. With all those ingredients, so good you want to eat it with a spoon. Oh, I got a little of everything there. It's bright from that balsamic. You see it, you know what's in it. As I like to say now, it's going to be in me. That pickle's escaping. Look at that. Ready? Can't wait to tuck in and see how this tastes. A big piece of broccoli. There's got some mushrooms. I can't wait to take a bite. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that thing. That's gorgeous. Look at that. You see it? Look at that. Here's a bite. What was it? Fried egg, bacon, cheese melt on sourdough bread with a little mayo. What could possibly go wrong? Or right? It's hot. You see the steam coming from it. Big bite. What hits me right off, I get a little of the mayo, the cheese, and then the bacon slams in. The eggs are a little passive right now. Let's fix that. I would like to probably see the egg a little more yolky. That's up to you. It's certainly delicious. Cheese melted nice. I like Havarti. We can use American. This works just great. Get your protein to start the day and keep watching Live Life 365 on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, tell other people. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Baby, oh, Johnny.